Before we talk about creating optimized listing for Amazon, I will be going to look at how Amazon generates its search result. I am going to be asking what Amazon searching. I am going to be looking at how it generates its result based on the information it has on listening. I am going to look at how to find the right keyword for your listening in order to ensure that you get found for the right searches. We should be looking at the improving the performance of the listening, and finally we shall ask what are the best way of collecting reviews as the reviews at one of the most important ranking factors. So what is the Amazon search engine optimization? In many ways, it is similar to optimizing search on Google. So you are optimizing pages and in this case, product listing for high placement in the search result. Only the first few results are cleared or to be more accurate, the lion's share of the traffic will go to the listing of the first page. And if you can achieve better ranking in the Amazon search, your product will get more visibility and you will get the more sale. Amazon search algorithm is called A9, with NM being the shorthand for the algorithm. Amazon search engine optimization or the SEO is the process of optimizing listening in terms of the content and also other factors like product reviews to ensure that your listening rank highly in the search result for particular key phrases.